Let me first of all start by saying a very big thank you for this day. For the sake of my friends from the UK, David Bates, Dr. David Bates, who's a lecturer in Cambridge University. And also many, we're not in time, will not allow us to say all what we have to say. But David, we really appreciate your presence here. I know what it means to travel on air 2 days or 3 days together with Aliba. Aliba, I sometimes get problem with the name. I hope I'm getting it right. And also my brother Sam Nesson. We were talking with him today, this morning, about the wonders of life, the beauty of things we as human beings. It's amazing today as we are today. I want to say a big thank you to my friends from Kenya, Karen, Okombo, and I'm not going to say the other name because it's special. For Astrid, both from PFP, you're most welcome. And of course to my three brothers from Kenya, I call them brothers. Ever since we started talking to Dashi, what I know that this is my brother. You're most welcome to Uganda. I know for the sake of all these things, you may not. You told me one thing, by the way, that when they were trying to film, because these are professional people, they were meant to be filming and concentrating. But he confessed to me at one point that, Raymond, you know what, I was meant to be doing this thing, but instead of concentrating, capturing the pictures, he joined also in the dance, forgot that he was meant to be filming. So thank you so much, my three friends from Kenya. And on behalf of Hart, David, Sam, it's a great day today for you to come around. Of course, on behalf of PFP, Karen, and Astrid, really a great occasion. You'll have a time to greet the people. I want also to say a big thank you to our district leaders who are here. I may not call you all by name. I may not be, because of time, please, my apologies. All the district leaders, district councillors, we really appreciate you this day for coming to support us. Most of all, as well, I cannot be who I am without my parents. I'm not going to be introducing everybody. We have already talked a lot. The time is going and there's still a lot to do. I want to recognize the presence of my mothers. I call them mothers. I know my mom is there. Mom, I will not disturb you to get up. You see, I am a very rich man, for one thing. I've got mothers. I don't have just a mother. You see, there's one there. That's my mother, people know. But what about that one? What about Mama Julia? What about Mama Julia as well? And yes, Mama, you tell them. All these are my mothers. And of course, I have my fathers. I've Colonel Muzela Tigo here. I've got my father, also my neighbor, Mr. Odong Hiayo. It's a pleasure. It's a blessing to be in a place like this with all your presence. I am who I am because of you. To all the other brothers and sisters, we really appreciate you. Amaru and Duju, let me just keep on talking and going like that because I don't want to spend long. We have already spoken a lot. So, Unway Motikani, Pina Yom, Mijolu, Gang Machalakumayan. Boy, Mada, Maka Lok Dok Manok, Kile Mono, Wodlo Watwa, Kimon Jobo Wile Mono. I thought to myself, something which is good should be appreciated, should be celebrated. It was within a very short time. Can you imagine that the team got organized in just barely 2 weeks to do what we are doing today. The committee is my heart pleasure, my heart's joy for what you have done to bring this day to a success. Really appreciate all of you. It was on the 28th, around this time, when we drove from Kitgum to Batoro under arms escort, 2006. I miss Founders Fox. I miss Reverend David and the team from her. Things were not good. We could have been ambushed on the way. But because of you, because of our children, because of what has happened, they made sure they told me, Raymond, we must go and see the people in whatever circumstance they have. Yes, we've known the dollars, the security. People told we should not dare do what we were doing. But we have this, that's heart. Others also say, heart has a big heart. She has a big heart. And all of you were representing at UK. This day would not have come with just me or the few people. What you see here is the success of all our combined efforts. Without you, without the community leaders, without our board members, we would not be where we are today. You can see, I'm not going to speak today. The children have spoken for themselves. In fact, I've been so touched today. Tell the people back in the UK, in the US, what you've seen for yourself. I don't want, and thanks Dashi and your team, think whatever they're going to put together, let it be in your archive. Let it be watched, let them see, even though they could not make it, leave it to them. What can I say? But you know, we are very clear on Milo, but in Jamukana. Get out of Polo, get to you. Go far. Yoni, Jamukana or Dano. We better get out of Yango. So, my dear friends, come again. We made a difference here in PAORINHER. You have made a difference. This is what life should be. Let's see these children and their dreams come true. Let's continue. The struggle is not yet over. The generation. I'm so grateful to the Almighty God, folks. At least we are speaking. At least we can see again the beginning of. I mean, for what I've completely, the generation of those children who are abducted, were lost. This is kind of a new generation, man. God have mercy them, fulfill all their dreams. I'm glad that some of them have now joined the university from here, from PAORINHER. Some of them are teachers, as you said. And can you just quickly come here? Because we can see